Hello, in this video I'm going to share the detail about how you can create the add to cart event in the Google Ads. So for this you have to click on Google goals, and after that what you need to do is you have to click on conversion and then summary, and you will land on this page. And in this page you have to click on create conversion action. In this page what you need to do is just click on conversion on a website. Just mark on this button and click on save and continue. Here we have a different options, different conversions. What you need to do is just click on add to cart, and we will go with the manual code and click on settings. Here we have a different options. First of all is the action optimization. Make it primary or secondary, whatever you want. Name this conversion and value. Use a different value for each conversion because it's an e-commerce website. So you have to mark this different value for each conversion. And after that, there is a count option. You have to click on every count option. And there is these are the options. There's a click through conversion window. You have to mark it 90 days. Some of them are mark it 30 days, but it's a conversion record. You have to mark it 90 days, last 90 days. And after that, there is a attribution. Make it a data driven and click on done button. So, and after that you have to click on save and continue. Now these are the three options: setup with the Google tag, email instruction to your webmaster, and use Google Tag Manager. What you need to do is you can click on use Google Tag Manager. Now here we have very important information: conversion label and conversion ID. For the conversion label, you have to add these things in Google Tag Manager, conversion ID and conversion label. And now we can jump into the Google Tag Manager. For the Google Tag Manager, click on new button, click on configuration, and click on Google Tags. And after that, click on Google Ads conversion tracking. So here what you need to do is you have to add the conversion ID, just copy it and paste it there. And after that you have to copy the conversion label and paste it there. After that we have a conversion value and currency code. For the conversion value we have to go Google Tag Manager again, and for the currency code we can again go with the Google Tag Manager. You can just duplicate this, and what you need to do is you have to click on preview button. You can add your domain there and click on connect. Here what you need to do is you have to click on your product. Basically I have added the Google Ads as a product. You have to click on add to cart. See, it's working. So click on add to cart and see either it's working or not. Yes, it's working. So we just need this add to cart there, and these are the data layer. In that what we need is event model, and what we need is items and price basically. And in a currency we have to just add the currency. So there is a two options: conversion value. For the conversion value we will add the event model. For this you have to add the click on plus button and click on plus again. And variable configuration, we use the data layer variable. Here what you need to do is you have to add the event model, then dot, then you have to add the items, then dot, then zero, then dot, and then you have to add the price. And name this variable add to cart conversion value. Just click on save button, Here it's added. For the currency code, what you need to do is click on add plus button, and then you have to click on new variable, and you have to add the variable configuration. Again, you can select the data layer variable, and you can add the currency. For this, what you need to do is click on event model, then dot, and then in the event model there is a currency. You have to add the currency. So what we need to do is we can add to cart currency here. Just click on save button, and these are the fetch in our conversion value and currency code. So after that we have to go in triggering. Just click on that, and we will go and make the custom trigger. Just click on trigger configuration and click on custom, and the name of our event, here is our name of our event add to cart. You can just copy add to cart and paste it there. Add to cart, entitle this add to cart, make it test or whatever you want, and click on save button. After that you can add to cart conversion tracking test one, and click on save button. Once you did that, go back to your Google Ad account and click on finish. Once you click on finish, there is a misconfigured status on this goal, and it's an inactive right now. So what we need is we need to do an preview option and make a add to cart. So before going this, you have to submit this and just paste it, add to cart, these things we have done this. So just publish it. Okay, go back to your workspace and click on preview button. Again, you have to enter the your domain there and click on connect. Here what we will do is we will make again add to cart event again. Just click on your product, where is your where there is your product, and click is on add to cart. Basically we are tracking this button, so just click on add to cart, and now we have clicked this, and just go there, and this is add to cart conversion tracking. Event is fired, tag is fired. Just click on that, and here is this is our conversion ID, this is our conversion label, add to cart, this is our currency code, and this is our currency conversion value, and add to cart, tag is fired. Everything is working fine. Just close this and go back to your Google Ad. Right now it's an inactive status and misconfigured. Just refresh this, and now you will see it's an active. Add to cart is an active but no recent conversion. Because we have not created any campaign on that, that's why there is a no recent conversion for the add to cart your goal. So that's it. And if you need any help in conversion tracking, you can contact my WhatsApp number is mentioned in the video, and my portfolio is also mentioned in the description if you need my previous work, and if you need any consultation. For the consultation, there is no charges for that, and we can discuss about your project and how you can create the campaigns and scale your existing campaigns, and how you can create your new campaigns. So if you need any help in Google Ads related, you can just drop a message on my WhatsApp or do the email. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video on your social media. Thank you.